guys, welcome back to YSS Australia. Quick video today just to showcase the all new MT-07 fork cartridge. This kit will be compatible of course with the XSR 700 and Tracer 700 models. It'll do all of those across all the years. Really popular kit, $9.95, includes springs. Got them in stock now. Three-way adjustable cartridge, got rebound 30 clicks and compression 30 clicks. We're also going to have preload adjustment on both legs. Comes with the toolkits to do your own installation. Pretty straightforward installation. Jump onto YSS Suspension Australia today. It's yssaustralia.com.au and grab yourself a set. If you've got any questions, give us a call. Cheers.